Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off camera sound on your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do, open up your camera, and if I take a picture, the sound is not there. To make sure that the sound isn't there, you can also turn on the silent mode, and now the camera won't make the sound. If you want to remove the live option, so if you take a picture and you have live turned on, it will pick up the sound. Basically on the top right you can see that live is off or on, or you can just swipe like from the bottom to the up, and the third option you have it on auto, off, and whatever. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out in the comments down below.